Are you ready to unlock a safer way to shop online using your RBC account? Let's jump right into activating your RBC Virtual Visa Debit and fortify your online security. First, grab your phone and open the RBC Mobile App. Make sure you're logged in using your username and password or through biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition. Once you're in the app, navigate to your account summary. You can usually find this on the main dashboard or by tapping on the accounts icon. Scroll through your list of accounts until you find the one associated with your Virtual Visa Debit. Tap on the relevant checking account to view its details. Within the account details, you should see an option for Virtual Visa Debit. It might be labeled slightly differently, but look for anything indicating your virtual card. Tap on it. You'll now be on the Virtual Visa Debit dashboard. Here, look for a button that says Activate Card or something similar like Activate Now. Tap that button. The app will then guide you through the activation process, which may involve verifying your identity through a security code sent to your phone or email. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once completed, you should see a confirmation message stating that your card is now activated. Congratulations! Your RBC Virtual Visa Debit is now active. You can now view your virtual card number, expiry date, and CVV directly within the app. Remember to keep this information secure and only use it for online purchases. Happy and safe shopping!